Lumens, your reliable partner.
Find out how to use CamConnect Lite with the Sennheiser TCC2Ceiling microphone system. This video is divided into 3 parts. Let's get started by looking at the items you will need. You will need a Lumens USB camera and Sennheiser TCC2Ceiling microphone. Also, you will need to install Lumens CamConnect Lite and Sennheiser Control Cockpit on your PC. You can download the CamConnect Lite installation file from Lumens' official website. You can download Sennheiser Control from Sennheiser official website. In this section, we will help you configure the settings. Make your Sennheiser TCC2Ceiling microphone mounted on your ceiling, then connect it to a PO network switch. Connect your PC to network switch with an Ethernet cable. Connect your PC and USB Lumens camera with a USB cable. Now let's turn to the software settings and configurations. Launch Sennheiser Control Cockpit, select Devices, find your ceiling microphone and then click Network Settings. Your Sennheiser TCC2Ceiling microphone's IP address will be located under Ethernet settings. To link Sennheiser with CamConnect Lite, please launch CamConnect Lite and manually enter your ceiling microphone's IP address, then press Connect. In Sennheiser Control Cockpit, select Zones. It shows you how Sennheiser TCC2Ceiling microphone corresponds to USB camera. In this example, it shows how Sennheiser microphone detects a voice source in azimuth angle of 180 to 225 degrees. You can do advanced settings by clicking Advanced. You can preset up to 8 zones, which corresponds to microphone azimuth angles. Finally, let's test the system. When you open CamConnect Lite, please fill in microphone IP and press Connect. The microphone will detect audio and display on the green light. You can set preset based on the green light on the software. In this case, the preset 2 will be triggered and this azimuth detects sound. After ensuring both the ceiling microphone and USB camera are connected to CamConnect Lite, the camera will switch between meeting attendees based on voice detection done by Sennheiser ceiling microphone. If you have any questions, scan the QR code or go to Lumens website. You can reach out to Lumens technical expert anytime. For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website at www.mylumens.com.